freedom. I was like, just make a thing. I did it because I was really stressed and going through college. And I was like, I can't have you send me like 9 variations of this thing. I was like, make it, send it to me. If I like it, I'll sign off on it. If not, I'll give you like some notes, and then we're golden. Just mentally, I could not handle that at the time.
Yeah, I could see that. This might be a trick question because I'm not entirely sure if creative fulfillment exists, but now that you have like found your format, you guys are got it all rolling, do you feel like making Life Noggin is creatively fulfilling for you, or do you have to search that out elsewhere?
That's interesting that you're asking me this question because it's something that I'm going through right now. We've been working on the channel for like 3 years, and it's a lot of the same. I mean, every episode is different, but it's a lot of the same stuff. And at one point, I remember we were considering hiring somebody to do the thumbnails. I went to school for graphic design for a little bit, so that's like, that's my passion. Like, graphic design is my passion. I love doing that stuff. I felt like if I didn't do any of that, I wouldn't have like a connection towards the thing because I didn't animate. I do the voiceover, but like no creative thing is done by me. So I still to this day do the thumbnails and I do all the branding because I want to have that connection towards it. But recently I've been feeling like, oh, I want like something else, a more creative thing that I can do. And so we're launching new channels in 2018, which is going to be fun. That's an exclusive news drop.
That's exciting.
You heard it here first on Lonnie.
Oh shit, boys.
And so we were launching these things, and it's going to allow me to work on new videos. It's going to allow me to create, a different brand. I'll flex my creative muscles a lot more, and it'll seem different to me. So I don't know if that's the solution. I don't think there really is any solution.
Yeah.
I mean, you said you don't think creative fulfillment exists. I think it does, but if you're doing the same thing over and over again, you definitely aren't going to be as fulfilled.
Yeah.
But personally, I think that's okay because like you're not supposed to oversaturate yourself. I think with the stuff that you're doing, we're doing it for 3 years. It's a long project and it's still going. Like I feel fulfilled. I feel like we've done what we needed to do. And that doesn't mean that it's not good anymore by any means. I really, really like what we're doing, and I think we're putting out our best work now. But I really think that if I were to still be searching for some kind of creative fulfillment for this thing, I'd be essentially just lying to myself, because I am fulfilled. I'm essentially just pouring milk into an already filled cup with milk and just keep pouring and going like, am I good now?
Yeah, that's an interesting way to put it.
Yeah, if that made any goddamn sense.
Yeah.